Ever had your payment application delayed or denied even though your course site looks legit? Most denials happen because processors can clearly see what you're actually selling. Here's a quick way to make your info product site underwriting friendly. In Google Docs, draft a simple one-page product overview. Describe your course, how students get access, and your payment terms. It gives processors a clear look at what you are selling and helps prevent confusion during review. But even with a clear overview, approval can still stall if your bank doesn't specialize in info products, which is where most creators get stuck. That's where EasyPay Direct makes onboarding smooth. Their specialists actually review your business and match you with a back-end bank that supports your vertical. So your info product model is understood right away. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Along with expert underwriting, you will also get access to 250 plus integrations, making it easy to connect your checkout tools and course platforms. If you want a payment processor that understands online courses and info products from the start, EasyPay Direct is the smart move. Use the link below to get matched and start processing with confidence.